Hey guys, welcome back, and this is Python part 8. In this video we're going to be learning about tulips. If you guys haven't seen my last video, which was Python part 7, then go ahead and check that out. I'll probably be leaving a link in the descriptions. So let's get started. A tulip is like a list that uses parentheses. In this example, we're going to be using the example called fibs. So I'm going to show you guys an example. FIB is fibs equals parentheses, parentheses close parentheses, 0 comma 1 comma space comma 2 comma 3, and then when we hit enter, we're gonna hit enter, and then we're gonna write print open parentheses close parentheses, and then we're gonna say, we're gonna put bracket sign, we're gonna put 3, and then we write fibs over here. FIB is fibs. Print for fibs 3, and then once we hit enter, the number 2 comes. Here we define the variable fibs as the using numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Then, as with a list, we print the item in index positions 3 in the tulip print, fibs 3. The main difference between a tulip and a list is that a tulip cannot change once we have created it. For example, if we try to replace the first value in the tulip fibs with the number 4, just as we replace values in the visitor list. Remember that, guys? I think it was Python part 6 or 5. We used the wizard list, so we can get an error message like this. Watch. FIB is fibs over square brackets 0 equals, oh my bad, 0 equals 4. Why would you use a tulip instead of a list? Basically, because sometimes it is useful to use something that you know can never change. If you create a tulip with 2 elements inside it, it will always have those 2 elements inside. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys learned something new, and that's it for me today, and bye bye.